The human has never given up to fight against viruses since ancient times. The dim lights of civilization has always been glittering on the barbaric battleground. That's where the humanity lies. To safeguard the human's health while meeting the demands of the society, everyone working in life science field is always unknown to the public. Daylights can be only seen after dawn is arrived. Luoyang Ascend Biotechnology Co Limited has been specialized in life science sample treatment, focusing on nanobiological magnetic beads and striving for manufacturing well-thoughtful, reliable, easy for use, and high-effective sample treatment products for all in life science field. Now it's available of a nucleic acid automation purification solution for samples ranging from plants, animals, viruses, food blood, and serum, etc. Ascend has established a complete system on nucleic acid extraction from viruses during the prevention and control process of the African swine fever in 2019, with providing the reagent kits for the African swine fever supported by Ascend up to 1 million pieces. After the outbreak of COVID-19, the company has rapidly developed and upgraded the original reagent kits based on the characteristics of the COVID-19 virus, which realized automatic nucleic acid extraction from the COVID-19 virus, as well as one-time extraction from many samples with better accuracy. By the end of the beginning of 2021, the company had provided almost 6 million nucleic acid extraction reagents and more than 500 testing equipment consecutively, playing Luoyang's part for the entire nation's pandemic prevention and control. Life's being carried on our shoulders. Our commitments should be fully fulfilled. The responsibilities, as far as the Ascend is concerned, are not only the generous contributions to the motherland and homes, but also the strict control on its product's quality. Being a professional nucleic acid extraction testing region foundry, we make sure our product quality through working hard on infrastructure, technology, and production processes. Ascend is equipped with modern purification workshop, R&D center, and a QC center of advanced facilities. Having in compliance with the business philosophy of being market-oriented, seeking development on technology advancement and stability on quality, taking the customers as top priority and being trustworthy for good, Ascend has reached 40 million testings in terms of annual output volume, with its established and complete quality assurance system and a marketing sales network across the globe. Ascend has always been a professional foundry on nucleic acid extraction products for customers, accredited with ISO 9001, ISO 13485, CE, and FDA, registered with 23 patented technology and 5 software copyrights. Key products: automatic nucleic acid extractor, nucleic acid test kits, and nanomagnetic beads. Being broad-minded to serve for the general public, enterprising, and quality reliant is the unchanged purpose of Ascend. Providing more effective, accurate, speedy, and pragmatic diagnosis products and solutions for clinical testing is the mission driving Ascend forward. Having been a professional nucleic acid testing foundry, providing high-quality products, favorable prices, and quality services, as always, is the continuing pursuit of Ascend. It's been always beneficial to progress with the time. Technological innovation, like dawning, is originated from the strengths accumulated from the long night. When night ends and day breaks, braveness and commitments are exactly the first lights of dawning.